Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me and wanted to power clip something into a cross, but still have a border. So if they would take the cross and they would power clip it into the item, go to Effects, we'll go to up to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. You really can't do anything with it now because the power clip is kind of taken over, and there's really nothing you can do. So let's back up here. So what you want to do, you want to take your cross and you want to go up to Effects and Contour, and we're going to contour just one step, 0.1 of an inch, and you get this. Now to do this, you've got to go to Object, Break Contour Apart, and what I would suggest is go ahead and take your inner contour and just move it out of the way. And if you use the nudge factor, you can move it right back. So now we're going to click on our fill and go up to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and then place it inside that smaller frame and just move it up. So now you have a border, and you can change the dimension. You know, if you don't like that, you can back up and change the dimension. But I thought I'd also add how you could do it with a double border, one on the inside, one on the outside. And for that, you would just use 2 steps to the inside. It's the same thing. With the exception now, you need to go to Object, Break Contour Apart. But then you need to take this inner one, and let's see if it works without turning it into a curve. I can't really remember. You might have to do something else. So let's go to Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. Yep, see, it didn't work. So what you have to do in this case, you have to select them all, go up to Object, ungroup all the objects, and let's go ahead and it's always safe to do this. Insert a color fill with your Smart Fill tool into that area, and then you can left click, right click. Now we can take our power clip and put it into that frame. So we'll go to Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and there you have it. Now, because we have not moved our nudge distance, we can very easily move that back to where we need it to be. So we're going to click on it and just move it up 2 clicks. And now we have a power clip with a double frame. Now you will need to, if you draw everything in hairline like I do, you need to change it where it won't be a hairline and won't be red, so it might engrave. I mean, it's just, you can play around with that quite a bit, and if you want to cut it out, this will still be a hairline and cut the cross out. But that way you can get a border around the inside and around the outside of a power clip. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.